Alright guys, I thought that one would be kind of fun, and I don't want these to be too short, which is why I tried to kind of code it myself, doing march time, temporal. I also know the thing sideways, it's how it held up the easiest, so that's okay. So guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in fire alarm equipment, by all means, please leave a subscription. And if you can't do that, or even if you have, go ahead and leave a comment down below, because I love reading and responding to comments. So please definitely go ahead and check that out, guys. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.